Well, the Twin Tiers, we have had this unseasonable warmth this winter, but changes could be on the horizon as climate experts claim that this year's El Nino is weakening.
And our WENY meteorologist Connor Freidhoff is here to explain the effects in our weather both here and for the rest of the country. Connor?
Nick and Renata, the Twin Tiers have seen near record warmth, not just today, but expected to see it into tomorrow as well. It's part of a warm winter trend, thanks much in part to a super El Nino out in the Pacific Ocean. However, signs are pointing to a weakening trend that could have effects on this year's summer and fall seasons. Now, so far, the northern United States has been much warmer, and the southern United States has been a lot more wet and cool. And there are telltale signs of El Nino conditions happening now. And the West Coast has also been enduring those atmospheric rivers that are bringing record rain and flooding conditions. Now, the Climate Prediction Center is now observing signs for a flip to a La Nina pattern later this year. La Nina is the phenomenon where ocean temperatures in the Pacific are lower than average. And local impacts of La Nina can result in warmer than average conditions, as well as the potential for increased rainfall and storm activity.
Typically in a La Nina pattern, you get less wind shear, which would be more conducive to tropical development. So more tropical systems, more hurricanes in a La Nina year, and that would increase the potential for us getting affected here in the Twin Tiers, not necessarily directly impacted by a hurricane or a tropical storm, but some of the remnants could push into our region and could potentially result in flooding concerns.
And La Nina conditions were present from 2020 to early 2023, and in that time, remnants of several tropical systems would bring flooding impacts to both New York and Pennsylvania. Nick and Renata,